Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are doing my BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe for the month of December. Oh, I'm so excited. This got sent to my mom's house and not here for some reason, but my mom was so sweet enough to send it down to me. And it just got here. So we are about to open this up and see what's in here. So let's go ahead and take a look. Looks like it is Boxy Bubbles and Glitz. This is so cute. I really like this. I really like the little golden glitter. Anything glitter, I'm like, whoa, glitter. Honestly, that's just me. Let's start off. I don't know. Do we just dive in? I don't know what to do this time. We're just gonna start somewhere, guys. So we got some Luxie brushes. These are Luxie glitter and gold brushes. Glitter and gold, but it's in a red case. Oh, so the brushes are all gold. That's really nice. This feels like some sort of like suede material, but these are cute brushes. Oh, cool. And definitely like a cool contouring one for sure. Let's read a little bit more about the Luxie brushes. It says, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create your perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red pouch. These brushes retail for $85. $85. That's a lot. All right, so the next thing that's on the box is this. Oh, it's a Hip Dot palette. Oh, I've been wanting one of these so bad. And so finally now I have one. Now that we know that these cost $85, which is a bit insane, but okay. And I only paid 50 bucks for the box. So already alone with just the brushes, worth it. So back to the Hip Dot palette. This is the Snow Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of Snow. I don't know if I'm pronouncing Snow right, or I'm just hoping it's Snow. Homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. This palette retails for $30. Lots and lots of blues for sure. Very gorgeous. Let's keep diving into the box right now. Alrighty, so we're going back into the box and I'm just gonna pick out whatever next little thing I see and start with it. This says a temple rub. It says it's calming. This is the Lifestyle Company. So this is 100% natural calming temple rub. What's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course, duh. The super blend of oils can help assist to relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. This retails for $24. And this is what this does look like. Super cute and tiny. Let's give it a little smell. Oh, it's very light. It's not strong at all, which I think is probably really appreciative to people, especially if like I get headaches a lot and migraines, so I don't want something too strong, but I want something that I can still smell. I'm gonna just kind of put my hand back in here and see what we find. So this next thing I found is the Sunday Riley Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. This deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarifying radiance and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. That's a bold claim. This retails for $85 as well. So this is the packaging. Super simple, and it's in a nice little glass covering. Why did my color change? That was weird. All right, so I'm just putting my hand back in here. We got this. This is the Avant Glycolic Mica Argan. I'm gonna go read this first. This is the Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. Oh, this retails for $123. This is what this does look like. Let's read about this because I'm just like, what? It says the ideal remedy against time. This day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin's density, luminosity, and volume. All right, so the next thing I've got in here is this Iconic London. I don't know what this is. It is a face palette. It says on the back of it, it says, create gorgeous multi-dimensional luminosity and warmth with these 6 velvety face powders. Let's take a peek. Ooh, very pretty. Definitely a little face palette. Most of these are highlighters and obviously like a blusher too, and a little bit of contouring, but all of these, for the most, these 4 right here have shimmers for sure. And let's read a little bit about it here. It says, This is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. This retails for $55. Wow, that's... Everything in here is kind of expensive. So let's keep it going. All right, so next little thing I have in here, this is a KVD or Kat Von D dagger tattoo liner. This is what this does look like. It says, experience effortless wing liner looks with this innovative eyeliner, especially engineered for easy application on an eye shape, making dagger tattoo liner ideal for all makeup junkies. This retails for $21. Oh, it's kind of, oh, it's brushes. Okay, cool. So it's already got like this like little like flick on it. Do you see that little edge that's kind of already just angled for you? I wonder if that does kind of just make it easier just to go flick. Very interesting. Alrighty, so we're at the end of the box now, of the Boxy box. And this is the Butte Teeth Whitening Kit. I'm gonna read a little bit about it before I just like start reading the packaging itself. It says, your Butte OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile within 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. This retails for $89 as well. I'm gonna have to add up this entire box and see how much it like costs at the end of this, because like it's seeming like it's a little pricey this time around. But I mean, I also paid $50. We also got more products this time, so kind of expected a little bit, you know? So I'm just gonna read a little bit on the back of this and just kind of see what it says. It does say 1 to 2 shades lighter with each treatment, 15-minute sessions, and no sensitivity. So I went ahead and added up my entire box and it cost $512. And I only paid $512, and I only paid $50 for my box. That's fantastic. I love it. I'm here for it. Yes, you should already be signed up for BoxyCharm. If you are not, I will leave a link below. But this does complete today's video. Guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.